You guys know what this is? It's a laptop. It's an Asus Acronym ROG laptop that becomes a tablet. And it's pretty rugged, as you can see, and it's pretty awesome, but it's also practically impossible to fix because this thing, unfortunately, is dead. Now, client brought this in and I did my best to try to fix it, and I tried to diagnose the problem. And what I found out is that this specific model, the ROG Strix Z13, has a lot of these overheating problems. What it has like a GPU chip in there, and this is a pretty powerful machine, you know. So putting all of this hardware into such a small box, it's gonna be tough unless you have some nice cooling. And in this case, the client did not, and more specifically, this client actually left this on for approximately 2 years. So it's probably just fried. He says it's still under warranty, so I advised him to return it if possible, or to just send it in to get fixed. If you guys have any questions about this laptop, or if you can help me with it, let me know under the comments. And if you guys have any questions about PC building, PCBuildPT.com, let me know, guys. Peace.